Is your Gmail app on your Android or iPhone not syncing with the Google Workspace account? Gmail sync issues on mobile can happen for a bunch of reasons, like background data restrictions, outdated app versions, incorrect sync settings, and others. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Gmail app syncing issues on both Android and iPhone. And if you need more help troubleshooting, our experts are available 24/7. Just call up the numbers on the screen to get quick assistance. Alright then, let's get started with the solutions. Method 1 on Android. First thing you need to do is open your Gmail app. Then tap the menu at the top left. Next, you should scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, choose the account you want to sync. Move down to Data Usage section. After that, tap on the checkbox next to the Sync Gmail and check if your problem is resolved. If your problem is resolved, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you're using an iPhone, then move on to the next solution. Method 2 on iPhone. Check that your phone is connected to a fast and stable network. Next, the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down through the list and tap on Mail. Inside Mail settings, tap on Accounts. Next, tap on Gmail. Tap on the account name to open its detailed settings. Scroll down and tap on SMTP. Check whether your primary server is turned on. If it is off, toggle it on. Once enabled, go back and check if your issue has been resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.